Hello YouTube, welcome back to Solving Web. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete TikTok video from your account. It sounds like simple, but sometimes it makes much more complicated what we expected, because we are not familiar with all settings. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to delete your TikTok video from your smartphone or from your Android phone. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, first of all you have to open your TikTok application from your Android phone, and you need to go to your profile by clicking on here. Okay, and you have to select which one would you like to delete a video. Okay, I will try this one, and here you can see a setting option, three dotted icon, just right side of the bar. Okay, just click on it and swipe to the left, and at the very last option you can see delete option, so click on it, and from this way you can delete your TikTok video from your Android phone. Okay guys, at the end I would like to say many thanks for your support. It's been long time that I haven't posted any videos, but guys, from today I will be active for Solving Web, and I will be keep posting new videos. So keep watching, do share and like, and thank you, and once again thank you guys for your support. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you guys.